Hey everyone, Alex here. Before we start, here are the 10 phrases for today.
And Emma here. Let's go. 1. I need to make an appointment, please. 2. What time is the doctor available? 3. I have a fever and a cough. 4. How long have you had these symptoms? 5. I am allergic to penicillin.
6. Do I need a prescription? 7. Where is the nearest pharmacy? 8. Can you say that again, please? 9. How many times a day should I take this? And 10. Thank you, doctor. Have a good day.
Now, let's jump into the episode.
Hello and welcome to Knowvera English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Alex, are you feeling okay? You look a little tired.
I'm fine, Emma, but today's topic is important. First, if you're new here, please subscribe to Knowvera English. Hit that button so you don't miss any episodes.
Yes, today we're talking about something nobody likes but everyone needs, going to the doctor.
Right. Speaking English at a clinic or hospital can be stressful, especially when you already feel sick.
Exactly. So these 10 phrases will help you explain your problem, understand the doctor, and get the medicine you need.
Let's start with phrase 1. I need to make an appointment, please.
First, you call the clinic. You say, I need to make an appointment, please. An appointment is a specific time to see the doctor.
You can also say, I'd like to book an appointment. Both work.
And they will ask, what is the reason for your visit? That means, why do you need to see the doctor?
Then you can say something simple like, I have a fever or my stomach hurts.
Phrase 2, what time is the doctor available?
After you ask for an appointment, they will give you times. But if they forget, you ask, what time is the doctor available?
Or, when can I come in? Simple.
Don't just say okay bye without knowing the time. Then you show up at the wrong hour.
I've done that. Never again.
Phrase 3. I have a fever and a cough.
This is how you describe your symptoms. Symptoms are the signs that you are sick.
You can say, I have a headache, I feel dizzy, my throat is sore, or I have a runny nose.
Just say the main 2 or 3 problems. For example, I have a fever, a cough, and I feel very tired.
The doctor will understand. You don't need perfect sentences.
Phrase 4, how long have you had these symptoms? This is a question the doctor will ask you.
So be ready. The doctor says, how long have you had these symptoms? You answer, for 2 days or since yesterday.
You can also say, it started last night or about a week ago. Just tell the truth.
And if you don't understand the question, you can say, sorry, or could you repeat that?
Yes, 5 for that and 3 for not.
Phrase 5. I am allergic to penicillin.
This is very important. Some people have allergies to medicines. Penicillin is a common antibiotic.
If you are allergic, you must tell the doctor. Say, I am allergic to penicillin, or I am allergic to nuts, so please check the medicine. Don't forget this, otherwise you might get a rash or feel worse.
Yes, safety first, Alex.
Phrase 6. Do I need a prescription?
A prescription is a paper from the doctor. You take it to a pharmacy to get medicine.
So after the doctor examines you, ask, do I need a prescription? If yes, they give you the paper. If no, they say, just rest and drink water.
That's the best answer. Free advice.
Phrase 7. Where is the nearest pharmacy?
After you get the prescription, you need to buy the medicine. So ask, where is the nearest pharmacy?
You can also ask, is there a pharmacy near here? Or what time does the pharmacy close?
Yes, because some pharmacies close early. You don't want to run there and find it closed.
Then you have to wait until morning. Not fun when you are sick.
Phrase 8. Can you say that again, please?
Doctors sometimes speak fast or use hard words. It's okay to ask them to repeat.
Say, can you say that again, please? Or, sorry, I didn't catch that. That means I didn't hear or understand.
You can also say, "Can you say that in simple English, please?" Most doctors will help.
Yes, they want you to go home and take the right medicine. They are not trying to confuse you.
Phrase 9. How many times a day should I take this?
When you get medicine, you need to know how to use it. So ask, how many times a day should I take this?
You can also ask, should I take it before or after food? Or how many days should I take it?
Write the answers on a paper or ask them to write it on the medicine box.
Because I always forget. Was it 2 pills or 3?
Exactly. So ask clearly.
And phrase 10. Thank you, doctor. Have a good day.
Always be polite. After the visit, say, thank you, doctor, or thank you for your help.
You can also say, have a good day, or take care. Small words, big meaning.
Yes, and then go home, take your medicine, and rest.
Okay, let's review quickly. Emma, I'll say the situation, you say the phrase.
Let's go.
You call the clinic to book a time.
I need to make an appointment, please.
You want to know when the doctor is free.
What time is the doctor available?
You tell the doctor you have a fever and a cough.
I have a fever and a cough.
The doctor asks how long you've been sick.
How long have you had these symptoms? And I answer,
You have a medicine allergy.
I am allergic to penicillin.
You ask if you need a prescription.
Do I need a prescription?
You need to find a pharmacy.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
You didn't understand the doctor.
Can you say that again, please?
You want to know how often to take the medicine.
How many times a day should I take this?
And you say thank you at the end.
Thank you, doctor. Have a good day.
Perfect, Emma. You are a great patient.
Only when I have to be.
Okay, everyone. Before we go, please subscribe to Knowvera English. Hit that button. Share this episode with someone who is learning English.
And remember, it's normal to feel nervous at the doctor, but these phrases will help you speak clearly.
Stay healthy, stay happy. Alex and Emma out.
Bye-bye. Drink lots of water.
Bye.